there are stranger animal facts than others. Yes, we all know that cheetahs can sprint faster than motorcycles and that bats use sound waves to navigate, but those interesting facts aren't quite as fun as three-headed octopuses, eternal jellyfish, and turtles that breathe through their butts. In this video, you'll discover 10 truly craziest, weird and true facts about 10 truly weird and real animals. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 10. Dugongs are closely related to elephants. You could erroneously believe that seals, walruses, and other pinnipeds are closest relatives of dugongs, the odd-looking marine mammals that inebriated sailors once confused for mermaids. But the truth is that these marine creatures descended from the same last common ancestor, a small quadruped that roamed dry land around 60 million years ago, as modern elephants. Manatees and dugongs both come from the same Sirenid family. These two mammals split apart about 40 million years ago. Whales, who can trace their origin to a population of canine-like mammals that lived during the early Eocene era, repeated the exact same pattern. Number 9. Octopuses have 3 hearts and 9 brains. There's a reason that creatures that somewhat resemble octopuses frequently appear in science fiction films as highly intelligent aliens. Octopuses contain 9 clusters of nerve tissue and 3 hearts, 2 of which pump blood through their gills and the other to the rest of their body, which is a startling departure from human anatomy. The octopus's head serves as the major brain, as would be expected, yet each of its 8 limbs also has a number of neurons that enable independent movement and even simple thinking. Keep in mind, however, that even the most intelligent octopus only has around 500 million neurons, or 1/20th the number of neurons found in a typical person. Number 8. 3-toed sloths wear algae coats. The 3-toed sloth moves incredibly slowly. This South American mammal, when it isn't completely still, can reach top speeds of a blinding 0.15 miles per hour, which isn't much quicker than you saw in the Zootopia movie. Bradypus tridactylus is actually so crepuscular that it is easily supplanted by unicellular algae. As a result, the majority of adults have shaggy green coats, making them, essentially equally plant and animal. This symbiotic relationship can be explained by the green coats of 3-toed sloths, which serve as effective concealment from jungle predators, particularly the much faster jaguar. Number 7. Male seahorses give birth to young. You may believe that the spotted hyena is the pinnacle of animal gender equality, but you are still unaware of seahorses. The female of this pair of marine crustaceans lays her eggs in a pouch on the male's tail following complex, meticulously orchestrated mating rituals. The male releases up to 1,000 tiny seahorse pups to their fate after carrying the fertilized eggs for 2 to 8 weeks, depending on the species, which mostly involves being eaten by other marine creatures. Sadly, only 0.5% of seahorse hatchlings manage to survive into adulthood. Number 6. It's almost impossible to kill a tardigrade. The tiny, 8-legged, strangely repulsive-looking tardigrades, sometimes known as water bears, are widespread throughout the world. Aside from their terrifying appearance, the strangest thing about tardigrades is that they are practically indestructible. These invertebrate creatures can withstand prolonged exposure to the vacuum of deep space, withstand bursts of ionizing radiation that would fry an elephant, go without food or water for up to 30 years, and thrive in terrestrial environments. Arctic tundra and deep-sea vents that would kill most other animals, including humans. Number 5. Koala bears have human fingerprints. Koala bears may appear beautiful and cuddly, but they are actually quite cunning animals. Not only are they marsupials, pouched mammals, rather than true bears, but they have also evolved fingerprints that are almost impossible to tell from human ones, even under an electron microscope. The only explanation for this synchronicity, given that humans and koala bears are on quite different branches of the tree of life, is convergent evolution. Just as early Homo sapiens required a means to firmly hold crude tools, koala bears required a technique to grab the slick bark of eucalyptus trees. Number 4. One species of jellyfish is immortal. Before we discuss eternal jellyfish, it's important to establish some definitions. If you tread on Turritopsis dohrnii, fry it in a pan, or char it with a flamethrower, it will unquestionably kick the marine bucket. The adults of this jellyfish species can reverse their life cycles all the way back to the polyp stage, and repeat this process an infinite number of times. What it won't do, though, is pass away from old age. The reason we say, theoretically, is that it is practically difficult for a single T. dohrnii to live for more than a few years in the real world. This would necessitate the individual, either a polyp or an adult, to escape becoming prey for other marine animals. Number 3. Some turtles breathe through their butts. Some turtle species have specific sacs around their cloacas, the organs used for defecating, urinating, and copulating that collect air and filter out oxygen, such as the Australian white-throated snapping turtle and the North American eastern painted turtle. These turtles have completely functional lungs as well, so why would you breathe through your butt when your mouth will do? The trade-offs between hard, protective shells and the mechanics of respiration are probably the cause of this, as it appears that these turtles' butt breathing is less metabolically taxing than their mouth breathing. Number 2. Killer whales experience menopause. One of the great mysteries of human female evolution is the menopause. Wouldn't it be better for our species if women could give birth all their lives rather than losing their ability to conceive at the age of 50? The fact that just 2 other mammals, the short-finned pilot whale and the orca, our killer whale, are known to go through menopause doesn't lessen the mystery surrounding this phenomenon. When female killer whales are in their 30s or 40s, they cease giving birth. One theory for this phenomenon is that older females are better equipped to lead their pods because they are not distracted by the demands of pregnancy and childbirth. The same grandmother effect that has been hypothesized for senior female humans, who offer endless sources of wisdom, applies here in babysitting. Number 1. Female spotted hyenas have a penis. To suggest that the female spotted hyena has a penis could be a bit of an exaggeration. More precisely, the female's clitoris resembles the male's penis so closely that only a very courageous naturalist could possibly hope to discern the difference. For the record, the female sex organ has a rounder head and is significantly thicker than the male version. Clearly, the cougars of the animal family, spotted hyena females, are dominating during wooing and mating and prefer to hook up with younger males, which is only marginally less bizarre. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.